Hello, this is Soto Welding here in Bakersfield, California, and the 22-foot box has been removed. It's a Carrier 660. It has electric standby, and as you can see, there's no damage on the body. I showed it to you when it was on the truck, and now it has been removed. The box has been removed, and as you can see, no damage. And I'm going to open it. Just give me a moment to open this door. Okay, I'm going to show you inside. Beautiful box. Same as you saw it when it was on the truck. Everything works. And it has a ramp. It does not have a lift gate, but we do have lift gates. If you need a lift gate, we can install a lift gate for you on it. Again, it's 22 feet, and it's going to be 80, almost 88 by 88 inch on the height and the width of the box, of the door opening. And it is, everything is here, all the electrical is there. And here we're at Soto Welding, and Jose over there is going to install it for you. He just removed it out of this box. He's going to install it for you, and it's going to be running. We just spent $1,000 putting Freon in it, 17 gallons of Freon. So it's all full of Freon and ready to go. No leaks on it. And Jose, you're going to install that box for somebody. So I just showed the truck yesterday, and then I showed the box. It's been removed. And I'm just showing people that you are going to be doing it for them.
Yes.
Thank you.